Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe, it's free, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. You can also share a video with your friends. In this video, I'll be telling you more about the Osun-Osogbo Festival with the beautiful scenes covered from the event. To know more about this festival, keep watching till the end of the video. This is the Osun-Osogbo Sacred Grove. The Osun-Osogbo Grove is several centuries old and is among the last of the sacred forests that once adjoined the edges of most Yoruba cities before extinctive urbanization. In recognition of its global significance and its cultural value, the Sacred Grove was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005. The 1950s witnessed the desecration of the Osun-Osogbo Grove. Shrines were neglected and priests abandoned the groves as customary responsibilities and sanction weakened. Prohibited actions like fishing, hunting and falling of trees in the grove was done indiscriminately until the Australian national named Susan Wenger between 1915 to 2009 helped to reinstate traditional protections. The Osun-Osogbo Festival. Ever since that year, the Osun-Osogbo Festival is celebrated in August at the Grove. The festival attracts thousands of Osun worshippers, spectators and tourists from all over the world. Osun Festival is believed to have a history of more than 700 years. Historically, an ancestral occurrence led to the celebration of this festival. Once upon a time, a group of migrants who were led by a great hunter called Olutumeyin settled on the bank of the Osun River to save themselves from famine on the riverside. Yeye Osun, the river goddess, appeared from the water in front of Olutumeyin and requested him to lead people to a special place, the present-day Osogbo town. The goddess promised to protect the group and bring them prosperity in return of an annual sacrifice to her. The group accepted the proposition, and today, the annual sacrifice to the Osun River goddess is still celebrated as the Osun-Osogbo Festival. In modern times, August is a month of celebration for the people of Osogbo land that includes the traditional cleansing of the city and the cultural reunion of the people with their ancestors, the founder of the Osogbo Kingdom. The Osun-Osogbo Festival itself is a 2 weeks long program. The traditional cleansing of Osogbo is called Iwopopo, which is followed after 3 days by the lighting of the 500 years old 16-point lamp called the Ina Olumeridilogun. Then comes the Ivory Day, an assemblage of the crown of the past rulers and the Ata Ojaras of Osogbo for blessings. The festival culminates in a procession to the shrine in the Sacred Grove, where a large crowd built up, drumming, dancing, musical performing, wearing of elaborate costumes, speaking of Yoruba language, recitation of praise poetries, and so on, add pomp and colors to the proceedings. This event is led by sitting Atoja of Osogbo, along with the ritualized performer called the Arugba and the committee of priestess who reenact the very first meeting before Oluwatohin and Yeye Osun. Arugba is played by a young woman of kingly lineage and offered the sacrifice to the deity. To watch more of African cultures and entertainment video, click on the subscribe and bell button to get notified anytime we post a new video. Thanks for watching.